good evening, everyone. I, along with the whole team, welcome you to the official orientation of the Human Resource Development Cell SRCC for the year 2021. We here at HRDC are filled with immense pleasure, gratitude, and excitement to interact with the newly inducted SRIs.
Addressing to what many of the students said before, we understand your woes. Despite our deepest aspirations, there are chances you may not be able to meet people at SRCC anytime soon. So, presenting to you a brief interview series celebrating the human resources of SRCC, who also have a very special message for you.
This is SRCC, the dream college of students with dream-laden eyes, willing to make a mark in this world. You were meant to be here, so brace yourselves and enjoy the ride. Shri Ram College of Commerce was established in recognition of the contribution made by Sir Shri Ram. Say hi to our founder.
एक्चुअली मेरे को 7 साल हो गए लगभग, और जो मेरा रोल है यहाँ पर, मैं आया था एज ए लाइब्रेरी अटेंडेंट। तो जो बेसिकली मेरा रोल होता है वो लाइब्रेरी के अंदर बुक्स को मेंटेन करना होता है, और जो यहाँ पर जो स्टूडेंट आते हैं उनकी हेल्प और जो उनकी क्वेरी होती है उसको प्रॉपर तरीके से गाइडेंस देना होता है बच्चों को।
एक्चुअली में मैं पहले यहीं सर्विस करता था 81 से 2012 से, मतलब यहाँ की कैंटीन चला रहा हूँ।
I teach political science in SRCC. I've been the TIC teacher in charge of the department for last 7-8 years. Accessibility in all areas of college, including the studies. We provide study materials, and also we make sure that the entire campus is accessible to them. That's one area of my major contribution.
This is Assistant Professor Harvinder from Shri Ram College of Commerce. So I've been teaching here the paper of EVS in the last 5 years, and to be very specific, I'm serving in the capacity of Assistant Professor here in the last 5 years.
I'm from the 2018 batch. I graduated here from 2018. After that, I went to IMA for 2 years, and currently I'm working as a senior associate consultant with Bain & Company.
मेमोरेबल मोमेंट यहाँ बहुत सारे होते हैं। बेसिकली जो हमारे बच्चे यहाँ पढ़ के जाते हैं, उन्हें जब वो आते हैं ना कि सर अब हमने ये अचीव कर लिया, तो उनको देख के खुशी होती है। अभी मैं जहाँ बैठा हूँ, ये है विजुअल इम्पेयर्ड फॉर ये रिसोर्स सेंटर है, जो बच्चे देख नहीं सकते या सुन नहीं सकते। तो अभी यहाँ हमारा एक स्टूडेंट था ललित, पार्शली ब्लाइंड था, अभी वो IAS बन गया है। अच्छा अचीव कर लेते हैं तो उन्हें देख कर खुशी होती है।
The most memorable moment of mine here is when we in turn visited the Honorable President of the country on the 90th, I think, establishment year of this given college.
Chilling with friends, sitting in lawns idle, playing different games, just chilling would be the best part of me for SRCC.
दो साल से हमने बच्चे वो खुशी मिस करते हैं हम कि बच्चे आते हैं यहाँ पर लाइब्रेरी में बैठते हैं। इवन हम बच्चों के लिए लाइब्रेरी हम 8 बजे तक ओपन करते थे, सैटरडे संडे ऑल्सो, एग्जाम से पहले। तो वो जो बच्चों की खुशी थी, एक्साइटमेंट, अब नहीं है।
Very dynamic life in our college. Our students were very active, and that college life is completely missing. Today we are having online classes, but online is not at all it's not at all a substitute for the actual physical class and physical presence of the school students in the college is not.
We are dearly missing our students. We are missing the physical interaction with our students, and teaching in reality has taken a back seat. Because if we talk about teaching is a very holistic process in which we are not only delivering the information, but again we are responsible for the overall development of our students.
I really can picture myself that only a couple of days back or few days back, I was sitting in the lawns, I was playing Monopoly, I was playing badminton, or I was just hanging around with my friends. That happens every time I visit the college. I would say it really disheartens me to see the college so empty, because every time before the pandemic, even after I graduated, I used to enter the college, I used to see students full of life, exploring new things. There were people who were studying, who were chilling around, who were doing different sort of things. I hope that people get a chance very soon to come back to the college.
आप सभी को पता है अभी पेंडेमिक की सिचुएशन चल रही है, तो बेसिकली सभी से ये कहना चाहूँगा प्रॉपर अपना केयरफुल रहे, कोरोना के रिगार्डिंग थोड़ा बच के रहे, बस इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं, और बाकी अपनी पढ़ाई पे पूरा ध्यान दें।
के लिए मेरी वही है कि मेरी अपनी शुभकामनाएं हैं उनके लिए कि जल्दी से कॉलेज खुले।
So it's great to be here in SRCC, one of the best colleges in the nation. But that doesn't mean you have achieved everything. So it's just a beginning. You have to realize that. But once you are in SRCC, then you have to remember you have to live up to the standard and the expectation of our college. And also people, when you go out of this college, people in our nation will expect certain standards from you. So I think that is the most important part.
I would really congratulate them in the very first place to join our prestigious college. I can just say them that you will learn a lot, you will have a lot of great memories in our college, you'll having a great time, you'll having wonderful seniors, we have a lot of societies which can groom you over a longer run. And my best wishes to you people, I hope you achieve what you desire at your.
So to be honest, I kind of come from a small town, so I had no idea what exactly to expect from SRCC. So I was actually an 18-year-old who had his eyes wide open and was very fascinated by everything that was here. You should give yourself some time to basically gel up with the crowd here, to basically make yourself acquainted to what's happening here, and just try to explore everything you can. Just be open to new experiences and just explore everything that you can.
Wait, there's more. Here's Bhuri, a beloved member of SRCC. She says that she misses the students who are always trying to be productive amidst the humdrum of life. And yes, she misses the biscuits as well. Considering the expertise she has gained after observing many students, she wants them to love life, have fun, make mistakes, but learn from them. Last but not the least, she hopes that SRites have an amazing journey ahead.
So guys, we hope you really liked the video and were, able to reminisce college and were happy to see a glimpse of your dream college and the people there. And yes, handing over the podium to Sheen.
Okay, so starting with about us, the Human Resource Development Cell SRCC is one of the first HR-oriented societies in Delhi University, started out in 2012. With a legacy of over 10 years, we follow a systematic process of training and nurturing our members into well-groomed and professional individuals, ready to tackle challenges in any venture they wish to pursue. Next slide, please. To give your mind a visual of what work at HRDC looks like, we'll be playing a small clipping. Okay, now we hope you enjoyed the video. Now we'll be moving on to HRDC's vision, the work structure, fest and competitions that we conduct, projects that we have taken up, and what's in it for you to join us. Here at HRDC, we follow a three-step vision consisting of 3 E's. First E means to enable, that is, give someone the authority or the means to do something. Second E means to edify, that is, to instruct or improve someone morally or intellectually. And the last E is to empower, meaning to make someone stronger and more confident, especially in controlling their life and claiming their rights.
Moving on, next slide, please. Moving on to the two biggest fests conducted by us. The first is Minductor. It is the annual fest of HRDC. This is a 2-day festival which consists of 6 mind-boggling, intellectually stimulating competitions and enthralling speaker sessions that come under the ambit of Shriram Red Brick Summit. Next slide, please. Minductor is divided into 2 segments. The first part, as mentioned previously, is Shriram Red Brick Summit, which is a prestigious event wherein some of India's most decorated and respected individuals from all walks of life are hosted. A few of the eminent personalities that we've had the privilege of hosting up until now includes Shri Prabhu Chawla ji, ex-chief editor of India Today and the Indian Express, Shri Deepak Mishra sir, who was the 45th Chief Justice of India, Lieutenant General Satish Dua, who had a strategic role to play in the Uri surgical attack, Lakshmiraj Singh ji Mewar, who is a Guinness World Record holder in the field of environment and social welfare, and many more. Next slide, please. We have 6 competitions under the ambit of Minductor, which will be later explained by the organizing and marketing wing. It has a footfall of about 8,000 plus and 7,200 plus registrations.
Next slide, please. Okay, so next is our semi-annual fest, HR Connect. HR Connect brings together students from India's leading universities and notable leaders from the fields of HR, politics, business, and academia in an attempt to act as a common platform where these personalities can interact and exchange their ideas, edifying exposure for the future leaders. Next slide, please. Just like Minductor, HR Connect is also divided into 2 segments. In the first segment, we organize 3 flagship events. These will be explained again by the organizing and marketing wing at a later stage. Next slide, please. Okay, so in the second segment, we invite some of the most dignified and notable industry leaders and public figures. Up until now, we've had the absolute delight and honor of hosting personalities like Ms. Nirmika Singh, Executive Editor, Rolling Stone, Pankaj Bhaduria, India's first Master Chef, Ms. Navika Kumar, Group Editor, Politics, The Times Network, Mr. Vivek Ranjan Agnihotri, filmmaker and author. Next slide, please. Besides these personalities, we also invite renowned as well as upcoming stand-up comedians. This year, we hosted Tanmay Tandon and Rahul Giridhar. Next slide, please. Okay. So as a part of these events, we've collaborated with some of the most celebrated media houses and big corporations, namely the Morning Standard, Hindustan Times, Cornitos, Himalaya, FAMPay, The Sunday Standard, IIDE, Make My Trip, FinLadder, Stanza Living, and many more. Our fests have been featured in the Morning Standard, Hindustan Times, and the Startup Times. Next slide, please.
In HRDC,
Kirti can take over.
Thank you, Sheen. In HRDC, apart from these enthralling fests and competitions, we have also taken up a few projects. Talking about the same, the first one is We Hire. The COVID-19 pandemic has severely affected most of us, especially the working class. Given the same, the Human Resource Development Cell, Shriram College of Commerce, has launched a social initiative, We Hire. It aims at providing free HR services to NGOs social enterprises, civil societies, budding startups, and business houses, thus helping them overcome various recruitment challenges due to the current scenario. As of today, it has been 270 plus days and we have served 9 plus clients, screened 1500 plus candidates, interviewed 500 plus, and hired over 170 employees. Next slide, please. The second is the Personal Enrichment Program. We released its first edition in July 2021. It is a 10-day skill enhancement program for college and corporate world. The engaging sessions, along with task-based assessments, are for the students of class 10, 11, and 12 to develop and boost essential skills to make the most of college and stand out in the crowd. This year, we had 400 plus registrations, 80 mentees, conducted 10 sessions, and had 4 eminent speakers from the likes of Deloitte, KPMG, Google, and McKinsey and Company. Next slide, please. The Adventurous Upskilling Program focuses on group discussions and mock interviews, developing public speaking skills, learning technical and marketing skills, disentangling problems and case studies, CV building, and content writing with industry experts. Next slide, please. Next, our latest project is Project EduWave. EduWave is a social project under which we will collaborate with NGOs and government schools and provide skill enhancement sessions to the high school students of the organization. This project will officially start on 2nd Jan 2022. It is aimed at imparting practical hands-on experience to students deprived of quality education or education in general so that they can survive and stand out in the competitive world going ahead. Now, I would like to hand over to Aditi.
HRDC takes pride in conducting sessions that matter. We believe in creating monumental and pragmatic change in the lives of our team members. We organize various in-house sessions on a regular basis. A few of them were as follows: case study solving, CV and resume building, basics of digital marketing by the Indian Institute of Digital Education, roundtable conferences, etc.
Along with this, as a part of our publications, we release our annual magazine, it is a powerhouse of learning, theories, research papers, and articles that will fill you up with positivity and knowledge. Next slide, please. We also release our monthly newsletter, The Harvest. The Harvest is a culmination of affairs concerning human resources, policies of top-tier corporations, employee-centric programs, and much more harvested and encapsulated in this monthly newsletter with a readership of over 5,000 people. Next slide, please. Now moving on to the wings. As of now, HRDC has 4 wings, namely research and editorial, organizing and marketing, creative and technical, and corporate communications wing. But this year, we will be also having a new wing called Projects and Development Wing. So now I'll be handing it over to the wing heads.
Hello everyone, this is Namrata and I'm going to give you a sneak peek of what we do here as a part of Research and Editorial Wing. We in RA Wing support the operations of our society with all the content solutions. All the posts on social media, our blogs, annual magazine that is Vichar, and at the monthly newsletter that is Harvest that you see on our HRDC's page are the brainchild of the R&D wing. This content is the output of integrating research sessions where we brainstorm and ideate with the whole team. We release posts, moment marketing posts, and festive posts which are highly creative and informative. Apart from research, we encourage those creative juices flowing inside your head. Got an interesting idea? This is the place to shape it. Currently, we have released the first episode of I'm Cracking It series in order to help our juniors and college mates to prepare for the interviews. Do check it out. We intend to nurture creativity by making moment posts of festivals and the current happenings around the world. The pictures at the right-hand corner will give you a glimpse of what we mean by a pinch of creativity. We believe in creating content that resonates with the audience as well as the author. Engaging in research across domains of HR, finance, commerce, and business develops you holistically. That's for the RD wing. Now, moving to the creative and technical wing, I'll hand over the presentation to them. Thank you.
Thank you, Namrata. Hello, guys. As you have a fair idea of what other wings are, we'll be taking you through the creative and technical wing. The creative and technical wing is face value of our organization. With a huge digital presence on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter, creative and technical wing allows you to be part of a truly digital era. Have you ever wondered what makes a society's digital presence worthy? What if a thought isn't executed correctly? Or if the presentation of idea isn't appealing the audience? Here's how we, the creative and technical wing, contribute. Without excellence execution, a wonderful idea is handicapped. Hence, we at Creative and Technical Wing strive to showcase and generate the ideas of other wings in the most creative way possible in order to make society's digital presence worthwhile. The posters that you make will be published by our media partners. The creatives that you make will reach our sponsors. Every digital piece of content that you make gets published on a platform. This really goes handy for internship and job opportunities as your sample work is published on a platform. Working in this wing, we aim to provide a visual presence to all other wings' thoughts. We design posters, logos, and the most interactive videos for web marketing. Now I'll hand it over to Vanshika.
Thank you, Sherry. Good evening, everyone. So we at Organizing and Marketing team ideate and develop exciting competitions. We host participants, evaluate results, and handle logistics. We organize speaker sessions, fests, and programs also. We also ideate marketing strategies to ensure maximum reach, and we tap in and discuss social media trends to ensure impressions and engagement on social media handles. So this was what we do. And now let's talk about what is in store for you. So with all the activities that we do within our tenure, you juniors who will be joining us will build upon their communication and collaborative skills, enhance their creative and dynamic skills, and will develop the ability to solve last-minute problems and will also develop people skills. So now let's talk about our past events. Starting with our semi-annual fest, that is HR Connect, which witnessed over 2,000 over cumulative footfall and 1,500 plus registrations last year. It has various speaker sessions and competitions like Cinema Bazaar, which is a fun event, HRistic, a case study competition with multiple rounds, and Master Plan Accelerator, a business model competition. Then we have our annual flagship event, Minductor, with a cumulative footfall of over 8,000 people, and it has multiple competitions under it like Quandrum. It is a national level case study competition. Recurso, which is a new event that tests your acumen to case studies and bidding. Who Done It? It is a treasure hunt cum murder mystery competition. Then we have Break at Central Park. Now this one is for all the Friends lover. We test the knowledge against the Friends quiz. Then we have Tell Me Why, a multi-dimensional competition that gave one the opportunity to build their own cases. Then we have Explore HR, HR-centric enriching competition that tested one's skills and knowledge related to HR. Lastly, we also organized our recent competition, that is KC Crisis, a crisis-based case study competition with over 2,000 plus participants and a budget with rupees 1,50,000. Now, I would like to hand over the session to Chetsi.
Thank you, Vanshika. Good evening. Now we'll be introducing you guys to the Corporate Communications Wing, or let's just call it the wing that is challenging, fun, and super cool all at the same time. So all you need is confidence, or if not, just a will to learn. And in addition to this, trust me, our society's 3 CC heads will ensure that you guys have the best time in this wing. So let's understand what the Corporate Communication Wing does. So first is that we raise and manage the sales finances. Second, we indulge in PR, that is public relations and brand management. Third is that we onboard esteemed personalities and organizations for conducting workshops and webinars. Fourth, we arrange collaborations with corporates for society fests and events. And fifth, we handle external communications of the wing. So what's in store for you guys in the CC wing? Networking skills. You'll have an opportunity to improve your ability to make contacts and build corporate relationships. Negotiation and bargaining are at the forefront of this wing. And next we have client management. So here you will get a chance to build strong communication and coordination skills that are needed for facilitating better relationships with clients and other partners. You will also learn effective and structured speech and transform your personality, wherein you will be able to align your goals with that of this organization. Next, we have corporate exposure, which is very important. You will be involved in corporate calling and negotiations to onboard clients and sponsors, which will help you gain corporate exposure and build long-term business contacts. Over the years, Cell has had a chance to negotiate with and onboard great organizations such as Unigrad, Make My Trip, Indian Institute of Digital Marketing, Hindustan Times, Born, Smash, Cornitos, PSafe, which is one of the top 10 startups of 2019, Startup Times, GrabOne, FamPay, Khidki, and many more. So this is it from my side. Now Kirti will be taking it forward from here.
Thank you, JC. Now coming on to the Projects and Development Wing. Projects and Development Wing, as the name suggests, will cater to the current and future projects that will be launched by HRDC. Here, the members will be responsible for all the tasks related to projects, be it ideating a new project, collaborating with new clients, or executing the work of ongoing projects. This wing is a new addition to the existing 4 wings of HRDC. It will provide you with an enriching experience of ideating and executing various projects. Be it working on a project related to the corporate world or social arena. The Projects and Development Wing of the HRDC will help in the holistic development of its members by giving it a flavor of both. While interacting with stakeholders, you will also learn communication, negotiation, and stakeholder management skills. Are you wondering what qualities you should possess to be a part of the P&D wing? So the answer is, firstly, desire and willingness to learn, followed by commitment and hard work, interest to be involved in on-ground working and execution of projects is all that we expect from you. Now, handing over the session to Aditi.
Moving forward to an important question. Why is it that you should join HRDC? We are proud of the fact that we are one of the most receptive societies of SRCC. That is, your ideas matter to us. Here, you will be able to traverse the barriers of followership and leadership and rather give wings to your thoughts. Got an idea for a social project, a new series, or a prospective sponsor? Share it with us. You have a platform and a network which is readily available, so why not use it to your advantage? With us, you get to learn stakeholder management, interpersonal skills, team leading skills, along with the opportunity to broaden your professional network.
Next slide, please. Okay, so now what are the things that we look for? Firstly, you do not need to possess any technical skills per se. All that we want is for a person to be curious, willing to learn, have the ability to think out of the box in order to find creative and efficient solutions to problems. Apart from this, at HRDC, everyone will agree that before anything, we believe in having a working environment that is cordial, respectful, and fun-loving. Next slide, please. Okay, so as we are nearing the end, we would like to show you what our seniors had to say about their time at the society, and we really hope that you can draw some motivation from it.
Hi guys, this is Gitansh and I was a part of HRDC for almost like 1.5 to 2 years, and my journey has been very enthralling. Like most of you, I had no clue that what to expect from college for the next 2-3 years. So in my first year, I appeared for a lot of interviews, got into a few societies, but honestly, HRDC was something I looked up to. So apparently our college has a very competitive environment, so to say, and in order to compete, you'll have to start from somewhere, right? So bottom line is like, if you're up for challenges, want a good taste of college, and want to see a better version of yourself some years down the line, then this is the place for you, definitely.
Hello folks, myself Diksha Kapoor, and I was the president of the Human Resource Development Cell for the year 2020 and 2021. Now, whenever I talk about my journey, I always say that it was nothing short of a wild ride. It was the perfect amalgamation of personal and professional growth. For me, it was something that made me get out of my comfort zone, overcome challenges, and at the same time become the best version of myself. Now, when I'm talking about HRDC, I have to talk about its people and its culture. After all, that makes HRDC one of the best platforms to kickstart your college journey.
During my time at SRCC, I spent 2 years working in the Human Resource Development Cell, and during those 2 years, in the second year, I was the president of the cell, and I picked up so many skills working in the cell. So during my time there, we got a lot of opportunities to, participate in thoughtful and thoughtful roundtable conferences, organizing sessions on things like how you can better network through LinkedIn, and some economic concepts as well, economic political discussions. And we also organized various student festivals and intellectual competitions. We invited eminent personalities in our fests, and through all these opportunities, through all these different initiatives, I learned some invaluable skills, including leadership skill, how to ensure that all the people, all the members of the cell learn throughout this process while ensuring that the cell does great things. I also learned stakeholder management, managing the different members of the cell, then constantly being in touch with the college administration, handling participants of events, sponsors, fulfilling their demands, and skills like negotiation while you're working with sponsors. HRDC is a family, so during time you work here, during the enriching experiences you'll have here, it's like working with friends, and there's nothing better than having fun while you learn. So,
Guys, I was the chief coordinator of HRDC for the session 2020-21, and you would expect me to talk about how being chief coordinator taught me leadership skills, but I was a fresher too, and that is the journey I'm going to talk about today. As a fresher, I think HRDC was the first ever society that saw potential in me and taught me how to harness it. HRDC became my family. It was a place where I could go and rant about not being able to do well in internals, or take advice about how to adapt to the fast changing pace of college. I will not say I'm a different person today. I will say that I was always destined to achieve whatever I have achieved till date on a personal and professional level, and without HRDC I would not have been able to do that. So yes, I think HRDC is a place where you keep growing, and as a society itself, I cannot fathom the new heights that it reaches every single year, and I'm so proud to have been a part of it.
In HRDC, I met with the seniors who was always there for my support. Actually, even today. HRDC helped me to improve my leadership and communication skills and develop my personality. It not only helped me to realize my full potential but also boosted my confidence. I was able to secure second runner-up position in game plan, that was a national level case study competition. For me, HRDC was not only an society, but it was another family.
So, guys, I hope you were able to draw some inspiration and motivation from our seniors. They've had a blast here, and I hope you do too. Next slide, please. Coming to the most exciting part of the entire orientation, I hope we must have added value to your valuable time and that you're eagerly waiting to know our recruitment process. So, our recruitment process is basically a 3-step process. The first step is to fill out a basic application form. The same is non-eliminative but evaluative for further rounds. That is, when you write your answers, please do it with utmost sincerity. The second round is the troubleshooting round or the group discussion round. Your choice will be decided as per what you fill in the application form. So everyone is requested to be very careful while filling the application form. This troubleshooting or group discussion round is an eliminative round. So it consists of a basic task-based assessment. That is, a task will be given to you, which will basically revolve around and help us to assess whether you're fit for a wing or not. The last round is the personal interviews round. Candidates who clear the troubleshooting or the group discussion round will then further advance to the PIs. After clearing the personal interview round, you will finally get inducted and be a part of our HRDC family.